Assam, a state in the northeastern part of India, is renowned for its lush greenery and vibrant cultural heritage. Among its many traditional practices, duck rearing stands out due to its long-standing cultural significance and practical benefits, particularly in rural areas. Ducks are highly valued for their meat and eggs, which are integral to the local diet and economy. The region's favorable climatic conditions and abundant wetlands provide an ideal environment for duck rearing, making it a prevalent practice across the state. Among the various breeds of ducks, the Muscovy duck, also known locally as the China duck, holds a special place in the socio-economic fabric of rural Assam. The China duck is typically reared alongside common ducks and chickens, often in a free-range system that allows them to forage in the village surroundings. This method of rearing not only reduces feed costs but also ensures that the ducks are healthy and their eggs are of high quality. One of the most significant cultural events in Assam is the Bohag Bihu, also known as Rongali Bihu, which marks the Assamese New Year and the arrival of spring. This festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm and includes a variety of cultural traditions, one of which is the egg fight on the first day of Bohag Bihu. This tradition involves participants clashing eggs to see whose egg remains unbroken. The egg of the China duck is particularly prized for this event due to its reputedly harder shell, which increases the chances of winning the egg fight. The preference for China duck eggs during Bohag Bihu highlights the cultural importance of this duck breed. Farmers often rear China ducks specifically for their eggs, which are in high demand during the festival season. The hardness of the China duck eggshell is not just a matter of local law but a recognized trait that has made these eggs a key part of the Bihu celebrations. The rearing of China ducks goes beyond economic benefits. It is deeply interwoven with the cultural identity of the Assamese people. The practice of raising these ducks and the associated traditions like the egg fights are passed down through generations, preserving a unique aspect of Assam's heritage. The role of China ducks in festivals like Bohag Bihu exemplifies how agricultural practices can be closely tied to cultural rituals, enhancing community cohesion and continuity. In addition to their cultural significance, China ducks are valued for their contributions to the rural economy. Duck rearing provides a steady source of income for many farmers in Assam. The ducks are relatively easy to manage and can thrive in the local environment with minimal investment. Their ability to forage for food in the wetlands reduces feeding costs, making duck rearing a sustainable and profitable venture for small-scale farmers. Moreover, the meat and eggs of the China duck are considered delicacies in Assamese cuisine. The meat is known for its rich flavor and nutritional value, while the eggs are not only used in the egg fights but also form a staple part of the diet, especially in rural areas. This dual utility of the ducks ensures that they remain an integral part of the agricultural and culinary landscape of Assam. Efforts to promote and support duck rearing in Assam can have significant positive impacts on both the economy and cultural preservation. Initiatives aimed at improving duck farming techniques, providing better access to veterinary care, and creating market linkages for duck products can enhance the livelihoods of farmers. Additionally, raising awareness about the cultural significance of duck rearing can help in preserving these traditional practices in the face of modernization and changing agricultural trends. The China duck, or Muscovy duck, is more than just a source of meat and eggs in Assam. It is a symbol of the region's rich cultural heritage and agricultural ingenuity. The tradition of rearing these ducks and the unique cultural practices associated with them, such as the egg fights during Bohag Bihu, underscore the deep connection between agriculture and cultural identity in Assam. By continuing to nurture and promote these practices, Assam can preserve its unique heritage while also supporting the economic well-being of its rural communities.